This is the video presentation for Lesson 2, pages 2A and 2B in the lab manual, called Introduction to the Battery. In this lesson, we're going to learn a little more about the 9-volt battery. Inside of a 9-volt battery are 6 single cells of 1.5 volts, which are connected in series to make the 9 volts. Since each cell is relatively small, the 9-volt battery we're using does not have a very large capacity. If we were to draw about 30 milliamps from this battery, about the amount needed to run a portable transistor radio, it would last only a day or two. The battery in this lab is alkaline, which gives it a little more capacity than the standard 9-volt battery. Again, you see the schematic symbol of a multi-cell battery on the right. Then below that, you see the actual schematic of what's inside the 9-volt battery. Since a 9-volt battery is 6 single cells of 1.5 volts in series, this is what the schematic shows. What I would like you to do is copy this schematic onto activity page 2B in your lab manual. After you've done that, you're ready to go to video presentation for lesson number 3.